Jamaican peanut porridge recipe. So in a pot with 4 cups of water, and I added 1 cup of raw peanuts and a few cinnamon leaves. So I'm going to cover the pot and allow the peanuts to cook until they are soft. The peanuts are cooked to my satisfaction. It takes about close to an hour or probably an hour. So now I'm going to turn off heat and allow the peanuts and the water to cool down a bit. The peanuts are cool, so I use a strainer to fish the peanuts out of the water. And then I set the water aside because I'm going to use the water as well. I am putting the peanuts into a food processor. I am also adding a little bit of the liquid, and then I'm gonna blend off camera. The peanuts are well blended and pretty much smooth, no form of grits, and that's why I boil the peanuts before blending them, so that when I'm drinking the porridge, nothing is, no grit or anything is in it. So I did added a cup of oats. I thought I was recording, but obviously not. But I did add a cup of oats because the porridge is very thin and it needs body, it needs a binding agent. So I use 1 cup of raw oats and then blend it with the peanut. So I blend the peanut first, get it to a smooth consistency, and then I added the oats and blend it again, and you're looking at the result right there that I'm scraping into a container. As I was saying, I do not blend the raw peanuts because it doesn't matter how much you blend it out in the food processor or in a blender, it still will never get as smooth as how I wanted it to be. It will still have some grits, and when I'm drinking it, I'm gonna taste it in the back of my throat, which is pretty much annoying. So when I boil the peanuts becomes very soft. So when I blend it in the food processor, I can use a blender as well. Then there's nothing. So when I'm drinking the porridge is smooth and there is no grits. Peanut mixture is a little bit too stiff, so I am adding water a little bit at a time just to get it to that consistency that I want. So now I am adding about half teaspoon of salt. I won't be adding any more salt. That salt is enough. I am pouring the peanut mixture into the pot that I boil the peanuts into. That is why you are seeing that red color into the pot, right? Gonna give it a good start to prevent lumps. So now I am adding 1 tin of coconut milk. I can always blend my own coconut, but I can't be bothered, right? So I'm using the canned coconut milk. So I use 1 can, give it a good stir. Then gonna cook the porridge for like 20 minutes, stir occasionally to prevent burning. Make sure that the heat is on low, as I always boil my porridge on low heat to prevent burning, right? And stir occasionally, and I boil the porridge for like 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes or so, the porridge is cooked. You know, you can see the difference, you can taste the difference as well. It is well smooth. So it's time to sweeten the porridge. I am using sweetened condensed coconut milk to sweeten the porridge. It is a vegan product. It is not the regular sweetened condensed milk, right? So again, I am using sweetened condensed coconut milk to sweeten the porridge, and I am adding the amount to suit my taste bud. 2 teaspoons vanilla as well as 1 teaspoon rose water. I am also adding grated nutmeg, about a teaspoon. Now give it a good stir, and this is my Jamaican peanut porridge.